Tips on making your zoo experience extra fun.
Hi, we're here at Zoo Miami and we're gonna do a little vlog and discover we've never been to the zoo. We're really excited. Come along with us.
So my first tip to you is to always check for Groupons and coupon codes to save money at the entrance. There usually always is a Groupon or a coupon code even on their website. Another tip I would say is to look at the map before your visit so you can plan your route and maximize your time. If you want to rent a safari cycle, I highly recommend it, but one tip is to return your bike on time because even if you're a minute late, they're gonna charge you an extra late fee.
Hey, aquí en la bici. Hay tráfico aquí en el zoológico. This is the first time in a little bike. It's so funny.
Another tip I would recommend is always bring cash for easy access to the add-on experiences.
Zoo is amazing. I'm so impressed. It's so big, and a fun fact is that you're so close to the animals. They're not super far away. They're literally super close.
The safari cycles were a hit, and if you go in a large group, they're extra fun when you're in a caravan.
Places like these, you gotta bring neck bands because the AC, there's no AC, so this is your portable AC.
The Australian Center was so cute because we saw the koalas and the kangaroos, but you had to be extra quiet because they were napping. This was the Legends of the XOXO, I don't know how to pronounce it. In this area there were some snakes and they were venomous ones too. These were jumping vipers and this was an anaconda.
It's been really fun. We've seen the reptiles, we saw the monkeys, we saw the elephants, and there's still plenty to go.
So a fun fact I found out was they have the Zoo Miami Walls project where artists can submit their artwork for empty walls, and a lot of artists already have done so and have painted murals, but there's still space on some of the empty walls for artists to submit their artwork.
They have cool art. Check this out.
My last tip for you is to take a new profile pic in the fun walls. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you on the next video.